So that was me in Washington, and you're probably wondering, how did I get that first person POV perspective? Well, you're looking at it. I mount the GO2 onto the head mount, and then I tilt the GO2 down slightly so that it captures my arms and my legs. So wherever my head goes, you're seeing the world through my eyes. It captures it perfectly. First person POV perspective, use the head mount. Now I want to take you guys to the Cascades. So that was me escaping to the Cascades. As you can see, it's snowing like crazy, and I'm filming all these videos on the Insta360 GO 2. Now, if you want to know what settings I'm using, first of all, I'm shooting in Pro mode, which allows me to switch the FOV option in post. I usually use Action View FOV because I think it gives the most realistic first-person point of view perspective. Now, I'm shooting in 1440p, and I'm usually shooting in 30 frames per second. Unless I need slow motion, then I'll shoot in 50 frames per second. My white balance, I always set to manual according to the scene and the environment. And lastly is the exposure. Now, I always use manual exposure unless I'm going from dark to light or light to dark in the same scene. Then I'll use auto exposure because the Insta360 GO 2 is really good at changing that exposure. Now, the last thing is I use vivid color. I think this makes the colors pop the most. And those are the settings I use to get these shots. It's snowing like crazy. Now I want to take you guys to the next location. Let's go to Alaska. So there you have it. That was me in Alaska, all filmed on the Insta360 GO 2. And I want to show you guys one of my favorite features about the GO 2, and that is quick cap. When the camera is off, you just press the button once and it starts recording. It's that simple. And what's cool is within the Insta360 app, you can program the settings. So I hope you guys enjoyed those videos, all filmed on the GO 2, and make sure you get your very own Insta360 GO 2 to capture your own adventures. I'll see you guys next time. Aloha. Whew.